Think you need a PhD to become an MB ASCP Technologist in molecular biology? Think again. The real breakthrough happens once you understand the exact requirements, and a single mistake could set you back months. Stick around and I'll reveal a game-changing exam tip almost no one's talking about. Today we're breaking down everything you need to know to become an MB ASCP Technologist in molecular biology. We'll cover eligibility, the exam, career perks, and the biggest mistakes to avoid. This channel is built for lab pros who want to crush the ASCP and level up fast. First, eligibility. To sit for the MB ASCP Technologist in molecular biology exam, you must have at least a bachelor's degree in molecular biology, chemistry, biology, or a related field from a regionally accredited college or university. Already certified in another ASCP Technologist or specialist field. You're on the fast track. For every detail, check the official ASCP guidelines, never guess. Second, the exam is 100 adaptive, multiple choice questions, and you get 2 hours and 30 minutes. Scoring uses computer adaptive testing. There's no set percentage to pass, just prove you're above the cut score at the end. Third, don't fall for the myth that you need advanced academic titles or decades of lab time. The right prep, focused on the MB ASCP content outline, is what really counts. Thousands have passed using our expert-led PrepLive classes, bite-sized video lessons, study guides, and QBank drills, all in one dashboard. So, to recap, the MB ASCP Technologist in molecular biology path is clear but specific. Nail the degree. Understand the exam format. Prep with purpose. Want deeper MB ASCP Technologist in molecular biology insight? Check out our MB study material breakdown next. Subscribe or check the channel, don't miss it.